Swaying palm tree. Stand with your feet hip-width distance. Inhale, raise your arms overhead, interlace your fingers, and turn your palms upward. Pull your arms straight up so that your biceps touch the ears. Root deeply through your left foot. Exhale, bend to the right without moving your hips. Stay for 5 slow, full breaths, allowing your body to be moved by your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, repeat on the other side. To release the pose, exhale and release the lock, placing your arms on the sides. Stand in Tadasana.